Here's something I've been working on. It's just a cheap department store mountain bike. The name is Mongoose, but you know, it's just a Chinese bike. Man, isn't that a beautiful creek? It's got a lot of fish in it too. But yeah, cheap Chinese mountain bike, full suspension. Normally not the kind of bicycle I would have any interest in at all, at least as a pedal only bike. But I got it for $25 and converted it to an electric bike with a rear hub motor. And it's actually, to me, like I said, it doesn't make a very good pedal bicycle, but it's a good platform for an e-bike, because I don't normally like full suspension on a bike, but on an electric bike where I might be doing, 30 miles per hour or something over rough ground, full suspension does help. And I'm going to put lights on it too. In fact, I have this. See, this is the controller for the hub motor. This is a DC to DC buck converter that converts this 52 volt battery. It's the same battery that I use. I mean, the same exact battery, not just one like it. I just got another rail. So that's the same one I use on my 72 Schwinn heavy duty. I just swapped the battery pack over. And but as I was saying though, it's a steel frame, which is a plus. It makes it heavier, but I was expecting it to be aluminum. Steel will be a lot more durable for this use. And as I was saying about this though, this drops the 52 volts down to 12 volts. And I'm going to put an LED headlight on it and LED tail light. And I've also got a solid state flasher coming, just a 2-terminal flasher. So I'm going to set it up with a second switch. I'm going to put switches on the handlebars, and one switch will be for the headlight and regular tail light, and the second switch will be for flasher, so that normal riding I won't use it, but if I end up on a road where there's some traffic, then I'll turn on the flasher so people will be able to see me better. And that's just something I kind of threw together. I already had the hub motor and had not fully decided what bike to put it on yet, but this one kind of basically I just had the chance to buy this and another bike for $25 each. The other bike I disassembled for parts, but this one, when I looked it over, I decided it would make a good candidate to put the hub motor on, so that's what I did. And that's a good setup for local transportation. I better stop because I'm recording with my phone, and the phone just said that it's getting overheated.